Täna külastas Ämari lennubaasi Ühendkuningriigi relvajõudude minister, kelle sõnul on NATO kohalolu maal, merel ja õhus eluliselt tähtis, tagamaks rahu ja heaolu.
We are here standing shoulder to shoulder with our allies in the face of any potential threats, thereby demonstrating our unwavering commitment to the security of Europe. Today, 2 of our Typhoon jets are here in Estonia, training with UK personnel on the ground and Estonian allies for the first time. The Royal Air Force will visit Estonia several times over the coming months, improving how we work together.
Briti lendurid harjutavad koostööd eestlaste ja teiste liitlastega.
And our plans here are to work with our Estonian, British Army and our French and Danish allies they're out in the field, and we'll be doing air-land integration training with them, giving them air support for some of their land manoeuvres that they're doing.
Hävitajate piloodid on end Eestisse hästi sisse seadnud ja siinsete oludega rahul.
We've been really warmly welcomed. This is a fantastic airbase here. The people have been very friendly. We've had everything that we've asked for, and we're really looking forward to some quality training in this beautiful weather that we've got today.